Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes! Yes!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. You guys asked for even more survey apps, so don't worry, I gotcha. Today we're diving in deeper into the world of paid survey apps. Let's start with Zap Surveys. First off, let me spill some tea. Zap Surveys is a platform where you can earn money simply by taking online surveys. Signing up for Zap Surveys is as easy as pie. And not just any pie, but the kind with the cherry on top. Why? Because they sprinkle a little magic into your account just for hopping on board. That little bit of hocus pocus is a sign-up bonus. Talk about a warm welcome. Now, here's the cool part. Zap Surveys is primarily a mobile app. So whether you're waiting for your latte at the local cafe, chilling in the park, or pretending to listen during that never-ending family dinner, oh, don't worry, we've all been through that. You can sneak in a quick survey. It's like having a secret money-making mission. And oh, the variety. One moment, you're dishing out your thoughts on the latest sneaker trends, and then the next, you're diving deep into the global events. These surveys can come from a whole bunch of market research companies, all hungry for your opinion. And these surveys can be about anything from your favorite brands to current events. But here's where it gets real. Not all surveys are created equal. Some are short and sweet, like a quick chat with a friend, while others are more like a deep heart-to-heart. And just like in real life, longer chats or surveys often mean bigger rewards. All right, let's read a review from K-Dog about Zap Surveys. My experience is great because I can do this every day since I have time. I love the company and I also trust the company. So far, I've made $25 every time in total. I've made $150 and that feels good. This app is legit. I would recommend it to anyone. Just give it time and you will see your money. Thank you, K-Dog. A heads up though, the number of surveys you'll see can be as unpredictable as a cat's mood. It depends on where you're at, what's trending, and those mystery app updates. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? So if you're the game for turning thoughts into treasure, give Zap Surveys a chance. Next up, we have Just Surveys. Join thousands of happy users cashing out early and often. To get started, you need to install their app. And guess what? They will hook you up with some cash into your account just for joining. It's like a birthday gift, but it's not even your birthday. And if it is, thank you for spending it with me. Hey, I appreciate it. Happy birthday. Whether you're waiting for a friend or just bored in bed, whip out your phone and start earning. From your favorite sneaker brand to the latest blockbuster movie, share your thoughts and watch the dollars roll in. Why Just Surveys? Fresh surveys daily. They keep things spicy with new surveys popping up all the time. Big bucks. We're talking top tier high paying surveys because your thoughts, priceless. Cash out instantly. No waiting, no fuss. With no minimum cash out, your earnings fly straight into your pocket. Top brands. Whether you're a PayPal enthusiast, an Amazon shopper, or a Visa lover, they got you covered. Now let me just read some quick reviews about Just Survey. Willard said, "This is the best paid survey app I have tried so far. Easy to understand, questions and instructions." Not bad. Amanda said, "Great app. Cash out right to my PayPal. And the surveys are quick and easy." I like to hear that. That's actually good. And Natalie said, "This survey app really pays cash. Quickly too. Thank you." So now we know they pay quickly and they pay cash. I like that. Thank you, Natalie. So why hustle and bustle when you can earn money from your cozy nook? Whether you're looking for a side gig or a part-time replacement, Just Surveys is your ticket to easy earning. Join the party. Thousands already living the Just Survey life, turning idle time into cash. So what are you waiting for? Hop on, have fun. Let's make some money together. Last but definitely not least, we have Dremo. Ever daydreamed of turning your phone into a mini ATM? Well, with Dremo, that dream's about to get real. Dive into a world where your opinions, game skills, and online tasks turn into cold, hard cash. Your phone can be a cash machine. Whether you're lounging on the couch or waiting in line for your morning coffee, Dremo's got your back. Whip out your phone and let the earning begin. Dremo is available everywhere and anywhere. Whether you're on a trusty laptop or your shiny new tablet, Dremo's ready to reward you. Switch devices, stay on the move, and keep those earnings coming. Daily dose of opportunities every day. Feels like a mini payday with Dremo. From high-paying surveys to daily tasks, there's always something new to explore. And with up to $12 per survey, your piggy bank is going to love you. Getting started is a breeze. Download Dremo and step into the world of easy earnings. Dive into surveys, games, and tasks. Cash out with as little as $1 on PayPal or snag a gift card of your choice. Got pals? Refer them and earn together. Cashing out the Dremo way. No gimmicks, no long waits. With Dremo, what you see is what you get. Cash out your earnings on PayPal or grab a gift card. And guess what? Over 100,000 users are already living the Dremo dream. Why Dremo? They pay swift cash outs. They respect the hustle. That's why they ensure you to get your earnings ASAP. Real cash always. No confusing points, virtual currencies, just pure cash. Top-notch support. Real humans ready to assist because you deserve the best. They're transparent and trustworthy. No hidden clauses, no sneaky terms. Just honest earnings. Let's read some reviews about Dremo. This one is from Nancy. "I just found Dremo and absolutely loved it. The surveys are not big payers at all, but you can make a few dollars a week. And if you do that along with several others, you can make enough to pay for your apps or cat food, dog food, etc. Hopefully in the future, they'll get higher paying surveys and more of them. All in all, I myself liked it. Fairly short surveys and 37 cents to one I saw today for $4. Best of luck, Dremo. I give you a 5-star for actually a survey site that pays. I tested it today to see if it was legit, and it is legit. Thank you, Nancy. Let's read a review from Lindsay about Dremo. What made my experience great is that as soon as I got up to $5 and redeemed it, it went to my PayPal right away. That's what I liked about it, that I don't have to wait a day or 2 days or 3 days. I mean, I don't mind, but I do appreciate the fast payout. I like that, Lindsay. The fast payout is great for me also. That's it for today's review. If any of you have tried any of these fun money-making survey apps, drop your experiences in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.